Good morning, students. Today we discuss about equations of motion. Before class, I explain about acceleration. What is the acceleration, mo? So acceleration means the change in velocity with respect to time. So acceleration means the change in velocity with respect to time. This is formula for acceleration. Here V indicates the final velocity and U indicates the initial velocity. T means time. So acceleration A is equal to V minus U by T. Okay. And after, what is the average velocity or what is the velocity? So velocity is equal to the change in displacement with respect to time. Simply displacement by time is called velocity. Here S indicates the displacement, T indicates the time, and V indicates the velocity. But according to mean or by using average formula, so average velocity V is equal to simply average velocity is equal to simply average velocity is equal to V plus U by 2. So this is also called average velocity. So you know final velocity and initial velocity. Then what is the average velocity? V plus U by 2 terms by using arithmetic mean. You know arithmetic mean? So mean formula. Here 2 terms, final velocity and initial velocity. So V plus U by 2. This is formula for average velocity. Okay, students. Now what are the equations of motion? There are 3 equations more. First one is V is equal to U plus AT. And second one is equal to S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And third one, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So those 3 formulas are called equations of motion. Clear? V is equal to U plus AT. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And third one is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Here term sum, U represents initial velocity, V indicates final velocity, A indicates acceleration, T is equal to time, and S is equal to displacement or distance. Okay. Now derivation part sum. First derive V is equal to U plus ATM. First one, V is equal to U plus AT. Okay. So here first of all, when an object moves with the initial velocity U, okay, and final velocity is equal to Vm after time t seconds. Okay, initial velocity U, and after time t seconds, the final velocity of the object is V. Okay, and time t, and the acceleration of the object is A. Okay, and after t seconds, what is the displacement? For example, displacement is equal to S. Clear? Now derive V is equal to U plus AT formula. Okay, derive V is equal to U plus AT formula now. First of all, you know the formula for acceleration. So acceleration A is equal to formula V minus U by T. So it says from definition of acceleration, change in velocity with respect to time. Okay, by using this formula, okay, so V is equal to U plus AT. First of all, derive this equation by using this formula. Okay, so here transfer T, transpose T to LHS side. This is RHS side, this is LHS side. The time T is transposed to LHS. It becomes a multiplication because here division. So division transfer means it becomes a multiplication. So A into T, AT is equal to V minus U. But if you want V, the value of V, so now transfer minus U to LHS side. So it becomes plus U. So V is equal to U plus AT. This is first equation. Motion of first equation. Clear? So V is equal to U plus AT. Okay. According to the definition of acceleration. Clear all of you, ma? Now second equation. What is the second equation, ma? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Now derive S is equal to ut plus half at square, ma. Here S indicates the displacement, U indicates the initial velocity, T means time, and A indicates the acceleration. Now again, ma, you know formula for velocity. So velocity is equal to simply displacement by time. Clear, ma? But average velocity is equal to simply, what is the average velocity, ma? V plus U by 2. This is formula for average velocity. So now first of all, the average velocity is equal to S by T. Both are same. Generally average velocity is equal to V plus U by 2 by using a mean formula. But according to definition, average velocity is equal to displacement by time. So now equal these two equations, ma, then we get this equation. Okay. But according to first equation V is equal to U plus AT, ma. So now substitute this value, ma, in this equation. Okay. So V is replaced with U plus AT. Okay. So V is replaced with U plus AT plus U whole by 2 is equal to S by T. Clear? Now U plus U, 2U plus AT by 2 is equal to S by T. Clear all of you, ma? Now again, ma, transfer T to this side, ma. Again cross multiplication. So now transfer T to this side, ma. Now 2U plus AT into T whole by 2 is equal to S. Clear? You want S, ma. So S is equal to, now this is binomial into monomial. So T into 2U, 2UT, T into AT, ma, plus AT into T means T into T, T square. So 80 square by 2. So now in numerator I have two terms, ma. Now separate the terms. Separate the terms means here plus is there. So S is equal to 2UT by 2 plus 80 square by 2. Clear? So now separate the terms, ma, in numerator. So now 2 cancel. Okay, now S is equal to UT plus of 80 square. Clear all of you, ma? UT plus of 80 square. This is the second equation. S is equal to UT plus of 80 square. So you know already the average velocity V plus U by 2 and average velocity according to formula S by T. Okay? Equating those equations, ma, and V is replaced with U plus AT. Okay? This is the second equation. Okay? Now derive third equation, ma. So what is the third equation? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So now derive this equation, ma. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Okay? How? Simple, very simple. So you know acceleration A is equal to V minus U by T. The change in velocity with respect to time is called acceleration. So this from this formula find T value. So here first of all T transferred to this side. A into T is equal to V minus U by T. Okay, sorry, V minus U. Okay. Now again, ma, A transferred to RHS side. Here multiplication is there. Now transpose means by or division. So T is equal to V minus U by A. This is time formula. Okay. So time is equal to formula V minus U by A. Okay. But according to velocity, average velocity. So average velocity means simply formula V plus U by 2. Okay. But according to definition S by T. So first equating the both equations. So average velocity means v plus u by 2. According to formula, velocity is equal to displacement by time. Both are equal. So now here t is replaced with v minus u. First of all, transpose to t this side. So v plus u by 2 into, so t division transfer means multiplication. Okay. Now v plus u by 2, where t is equal to how much? V minus u by a. So put t is equal to v minus u by a in this equation. So v minus u by a is equal to yes. Okay, are you understand? Now again here v plus e into v minus u, numerator, whole by 2 into a 2a is equal to yes. Clear? So now we have one formula. What is the formula? By using algebraic identity, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So it is this formula. By using this formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here v plus u into v minus u. Again by using this formula, v square minus u square. Clear? So v plus u into v minus u is equal to v square minus u square by 2a is equal to yes. Now again transpose 2a to RHS. Again here division is there. Transfer means it becomes multiplication. So v square minus u square is equal to 2a yes. Okay, clear all of you? So this is a third equation. V square minus u square is equal to 2a yes. Clear all of you? So total there are three equations. First one is v is equal to u plus at. Second equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. And third one is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So those three equations are called equations of motion. Clear? Here v indicates the final velocity, u indicates initial velocity, t indicates the time, a indicates the acceleration, okay, and s indicates the displacement. Clear all of you?